Business analysts work across static briefs, documents, trackers, and handoffs. I'm introducing AgentsNodesStudio, which turns the project context into a governed, inspectable, multi-agent workflow and decision-ready BA deliverables. Business analysis often breaks down when a project brief, evidence, approvals, deliverables live in different tools. So AgentsNodesStudio is an OpenAI-powered project workspace where a project keeps the context while reusable agent and visual workflow do the reasoning. So we are on home page actually. We have few options over here. You can create new project and automation directly or workflow concierge. So workflow concierge is a place where you type in your requirements. Let's say you want to have a process wherein the invoices coming from vendor are analyzed and put onto a PDF file and then sent to CFO for approval and then recorded or stored in some place. So you can define that workflow. If the workflow is already existing in our template library, it will suggest you that, or else it will create the entire workflow just by typing the natural language. Okay, so we also have agents already, agent library, when there are different type of agents. Let's say data scientist agents. So here it is, you have to give description, you have to select the model, you can provide the instruction, the state mode, hands-off specialist, wherein the next agent which will take the instruction from this agent. So OpenAI tool catalog, when you can select web search, file search, computer use local shell, and you can create your own agent as well by clicking here. We also have workflow template library, where there are pre-existing template for different business verticals like software development, operational process, sales, or you can also create your own workflow. So let's just for software development. So these are the various stages for which this flow has been created. Let's preview this. You will be brought to a canvas wherein the different agents are connected over here. And when you click on the agent on the right side under the inspector, you will see what that particular agent is for. So the original instruction for this agent is this, what tools it is using, what is the capability, and you can also test this particular agent over here single-handedly, like single node, by putting an instruction. You can also enhance the capability of this particular agent by selecting, let's say, file input. So when you put in select the checkbox, you'll also have option to add a file, upload a file, and then give the instruction and then run the node. In case if you want some output, you can select the artifact output and then run the node, so it will give the result through the artifact output. Or you can also select the email sender. When if you select that, you will also be asked to this agent will directly send the output to the email wherever you want to send it. Okay, let's go back to the home page quickly. Okay, the connection strings, you have to put in the API key and then test connection first. So it will validate the particular model which you are using, and then you can start performing. So for a quick demo brief, I have already created a sample project. Let's try that. So it will open the project workspace. Now this is a guided demo, so I'll show you how it is. So first is outcome, evidence, agent, run, replay. Okay, so there are a few options over here. So when you click on outcome, it will show you the overview tab actually, wherein what particular information you have provided, or the highlight of this project actually. That's the overview. Now evidence is the intake, what you are giving to the web app. So you have to select the workflow. You can choose this later on also. You have to provide a business brief, or you can also provide some document of what you want to actually do. Okay, and you can also refine this particular brief by selecting the particular attachment and then just instruct the codex to just refine the requirement and accordingly give the intake. Okay, now the agent. So what it will do is it will create a workflow like this, where the workflow will perform and orchestrate all the agents together, okay, one by one, as per the instruction given in the intake. So I'll just go back. Then run replay will show how many times this workflow has been run. So the workflow can be run from here on the top, just to save time. I have already run this workflow. The output was a BA pack, wherein the business analyst will have all the documents required for the software delivery, before software delivery. So from requirement gathering stage till the end. So this was actually the flow. I'll show you again the flow. So from requirement gathering, so first is discovery brief, requirement gathering, and till the end, till the release, or we can extend this flow also. But currently the software for BA flow was still the change document, the release document. So it will run all the as per the intake. It will you can run the workflow and it will provide you with all the deliverables. Like it has generated 5 documents: risk register, then business requirement document will be there. I'll show you functional requirement catalog. This is the business requirement document above. And then I think there will be some cadence report, project and integration project and integration design is there. So all these 5 BA documents were generated within few clicks and just giving some inputs. So rather than having everything separately on different tools, we got everything on this web app. You can also download these documents separately with in different formats. Okay, and this is project based, so you can have the entire project here, and then all the requirements can be collectively stored at single place. And so that would be very helpful, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।